Hey everyone, this is John Rollins with JRTrucks.com, here today to show you my 2017 GMC 2500 HD Denali Duramax. Let's go ahead and take a look. This beautiful Denali is black in color. It's a crew cab, short bed, four-wheel drive, Duramax Diesel. It's got the nice 20-inch wheels, of course factory running boards. The Denali trucks all have the nice chrome handles, chrome trim around the moldings, painted bumpers front and rear to color match. Factory tow package, backup camera. This truck does have a tri-fold tonneau cover, power sliding rear window. It is all stock, but someone did put a black tip on the truck to give it a little bit more of an aggressive look. Factory wheels, plenty of tire tread left. These are like new. Factory undercoated, so everything underneath the truck is in beautiful shape. This is just a gorgeous truck. Has the tow mirrors on it. Only 39,000 miles, so it is in beautiful condition. You have park assist front and rear. I love the new Ram Air hoods on these Duramax trucks. Gives it much more of an aggressive look. Factory tow hooks, fog lights, projector style headlights. Let's go ahead and take a look inside of it. This truck does have the Cocoa Dune Mocha interior. So you're gonna notice the lighter brown, the darker brown accents. You've got a memory driver's seat, full power controls, power fold mirrors, of course Bose stereo. This truck does have the nice factory all-weather mats in it. The Denalis are fully loaded, so power seats both sides, heated and cooled seats. Driver's seat is in beautiful condition. Factory trailer brake controller. Your four-wheel drive switch is located right here. Here's your headlight controls. You push for your fog lights. You've got a tilt and telescoping wheel. You've got steering wheel controls on the back of the steering wheel for your audio. You've got a beautiful leather wrap steering wheel. Of course, it is heated. You do have collision avoidance, cruise control. On this side is all of your information readouts in the dash. 39,216 miles on this truck. It is a 6-speed automatic, so it is selectable here with the tap shift. Of course, your tow haul mode, flip over here, is right here on the end of it. Navigation, backup camera, does have a CD player, automatic dual zone climate controls. Here's your climate controls for your seats, for AC, and then your heat settings. Adjustable foot pedals, traction control. This is a rear cargo lamp, which is really neat because I'll turn this on. I'll show you when we get outside. This truck does have the LEDs in the mirrors. So whenever you're backing up to a trailer, you turn these on, or really just backing up in general. Very bright, makes it very easy. Park assistance, lane keep, hill descend, factory exhaust brake. Got a nice big center console here. Also, the cool thing with these newer trucks, you've got wireless charging right here. So if you've got a newer Apple phone, Android phone, whatever, if you have wireless charging capabilities with your phone, you lay it right there. It'll wirelessly charge your truck. No need for any cords. Huge center console. Factory sunroof. Now, in the overhead compartment here, you've got, of course, your sunglass container. That's normally there. You've got home link. This is for your garage door openers. This is for your sunroof for it to slide, for it to tilt up. This is for your rear power sliding rear window. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. Before we get to the back seat, here's the tow mirrors. So, of course, you've got your amber indicator here, and these are your LEDs, and if you can see, they are super bright. It's, you know, obviously it's not night out, and they are super bright right now, but when it is dark outside, you turn those on and backing up is a lot easier. Your rear door panel is in beautiful shape, just like the driver's side. Of course, you've got all these wood grain accents. I didn't point that out in the front. You saw it. Just a nice little feature that the Denalis and all the higher trim levels in these GM trucks do. Again, all-weather mats, front and rear. The nice thing too, I'm gonna flip this up, you've got these little cutouts, so kind of keeps things in place. Also, it's got a built-in lock feature here so the mats don't separate. So once you got the whole rear mat down, It stays right where it should. Of course, you've got an armrest, cup holders here, just like everything else that folds down. A 12-volt outlet here, charger for the rear passengers. Here's another look at your dash. Let's take a look at the bed. This truck does have a factory spray-in liner, a fold-a-cover, hard folding tonneau cover. The tailgate does have gas assist shock in it, so it is easy to put up and down. In your factory tow package, all your plugs, wiring, everything is here on the truck. So if you got a 7-pin, a 4-pin plug, everything's located there for you. You don't need any adapters. Passenger rear door panel is in good shape. It does have a couple slight scuffs here, just to mention. Nothing major, but do want to make everybody aware of that. The truck overall is super, super clean. So again, it's a 39,000 mile truck. It is used, but it's in beautiful condition. Front passenger door panel in beautiful shape. Again, there's your power controls. Seat is in beautiful shape. I like the Denali is embroidered in the headrest on these trucks too, so just another nice little feature that they do. You've got 2 glove boxes here for additional storage. We've got the books, everything here with the truck. Also, if you can see there, we do have both sets of keys and remotes for the truck. You can see there is a remote start feature on the key. So of course, when you're inside in the wintertime, you can remote start your truck. All right, so here is the heartbeat. This is a L5P Duramax Diesel, 6.6 liters in displacement. These make 445 horsepower and 910 foot-pounds of torque. Of course, here's for your ram air hood. That goes straight through your breather. Your air intake is right here. Your depth fill is located right here under the hood, just like the older Duramax trucks. They all have it right there. The truck is all stock. No tuners, no aftermarket products. Again, my name's John Rollins with jrtrucks.com. You can find us directly at jrtrucks.com. You can find us on Facebook. And if you're interested in this truck, feel free to give me a call with any questions, or if you'd like to purchase it, at 614-563-9999. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.